advocate vane mpofu anozikanwa kunzi is advocate nelsonchamisa lawyer panguva ine ouya achiti weed them out oti aiwa taneta aiwa navakomana vatengesi vari kuonekwa kunzi muthe political arena yenyika yezimbabwe vari kukonzeresa zvakanyanya and people are suffering just because of these sellouts. Vanhu vari kuonekwa kunzi vari kuuya panguva ino vachiiroda people's own freedom and liberation. Panguva ino tobva subscribe like out on the bell icon. Tavanopofamba nyora chiti within our politics there exist actors who exploit public trust for personal gain. Individuals who must squander as champions of the struggle while advancing opportunistic agenda. We have seen them over the years and they have existed from the days of the liberation struggle. We must be intentional about identifying these malcontents through transparent and participatory public mechanisms, whereupon we must subsequently marginalize and exclude them from meaningful political discourse and engagement. Their continued presence within our body politic undermines democratic progress and social cohesion, as they tend to erode institutional integrity rather than contribute constructively to nation building. For Zimbabwe to be decisively removed from the political arena to safeguard the genuine aspirations and warfare of the populace, the legitimate aspirations of the masses, the dreams of our people are not a commodity to be sold to a highest bidder. Ndomashoko ari kubuda panguva inoita vane mpofu achiuya achislama vatengesi achiti aiwa tofanira kuti each and every day hunted down these sellouts vari kuonekwa kunzi vari kutengesa our own freedom panguva ino for their own personal gains. Mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino anyanya kutageta people who are aligned with the ruling party ZANU-PF vari kuonekwa kunzi these guys aiwa vakatodescribewa as inhuman, vanenge vatonyatsoto chaizvo zvakanaka. Tiudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakume section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe, like, cheta on the bell icon.